Hello everybody. I hope you've started a fantastic day. Um, let's have a cup of coffee and start programming, coding. You know, it's episode 3 of HTML course. First of all, we can change our theme in Visual Studio Code. Go to Setting and to Themes, Color Theme. Okay, we can see all the themes that we have downloaded here. Okay, let's try them. Oh no, not light. I really don't like light themes. No, too purple. No, 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 not bad. Okay. No, I don't like it. Red. Okay, let's just use this. Today, we're gonna talk about another HTML elements, another attributes, and first let's talk about another attribute. Here you can see an attributes are yellow. Okay, let's try img. Okay, src and alt are yellow, so it marks the attributes yellow. And the lang is another attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. Alright. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and the browser. The following examples specifies English as the language. Okay? EN, the brief of English. And country codes can also be added to the language code in the lang attribute. So, the first two characters define the language of the HTML page, and the two last characters define the country. For example, this specifies English as the language and US with capital United States as the country. Okay? We also have another attribute which named title. In p tag, for example, we can have not a lorem, but maybe okay, it's better to write the tags with lowercase. Okay, let's try something. I am okay. This is a p tag, our paragraph, and an attribute which name is title can be here. You know, attributes are always defined into double quotation. Okay, for example, lang equal to double quotation and then demand, charset, name, content. These are all attributes. Okay, title equal to, for example, I am a tooltip. What is tooltip? The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. For example, the value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the element. Let's try. Okay, here is our P tag. Okay, what would happen? Oh, you see, I am a tooltip. So, while when you mouse over the element, it appears. Okay, it's another attribute. You know, for clean code, I suggest always use lowercase attributes. Because the HTML standard does not require lowercase attribute names. And the title attributes and all other attributes can be written with uppercase or lowercase. However, I recommend lowercase attributes in HTML. It's better for clean code. Okay, and another tip for clean code, if you wanna know, always it's better to HTML standard does not require constraint attribute values, but I recommend code around attribute values. It's for clean code. For example, we have we can have href without these two quotation marks. We can have http google.com. Let's check. Okay. Click. Okay. It leads us to google.com, but I suggest put this into quotation mark. It's for clean code. Okay? Perfect. And no different single quote or double quote. If double quotes around attribute values are the most common in HTML, but single quotes can also be used. But if in some situations, when the attribute values itself contains double quotation or single quotation, it is necessary to use single quotation or double quotation. For example, let's see. P and title is, for example, I am a girl. Bye. Okay, so here we have a title, I am a girl, bye. But what would happen if I don't use double quotation? You see this error? This is not defined in HTML, so if we use double quotation, sorry, it's okay. There's not any errors. But if we remove it, error. You see these reds? These are errors. What would happen if we use single quotation? Let's see what would happen. Another error. These two reds. Why? Because it doesn't know where it begins and where it ends. We have 4 single quotations. So we should use double quotation if we have a single quotation inside our attribute. If it was double quotation, we should have used single quotation for the attribute. It's as simple as you can see. Okay, and we talked about headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags, and the H1 defines the most important heading, and H6 defines the least important heading. And headings are important, and search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web page. Users often skim a web or page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 headings should be used for main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3, and so on. Bigger headings, each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with the style attribute using the CSS font style property. If you don't know what is CSS, we'll talk about it later. It's another language like HTML. Let's have an H1 tag and give it an attribute of a style. And let's see first the default font of H1. Heading. Okay. Oh, what happened? This is an error. Because we had a style attribute with no definition. We still have the error. Why? I have no idea. No, it doesn't have. Okay, I just refreshed the page. Okay, here is our heading. You can see it's so big. These are P tag, it's A tag, but H1 is so big, and it is the default size. But we can change it. Give it a style attribute and use font size. It should be in pixels, for example 60 pixel. Let's see the result. Okay. Bigger. Let's change it to 20 pixels. Smaller. What about 2 pixels? It's so small. Oh, this is our heading. It's too small. You can see? Yeah, we can change the size of heading. Use the attribute style. Guys, please exercise all of this at home. Use other examples, and you will learn it completely. What is HTML display? You can't be sure how HTML will be displayed, large or small screens, for on tablets or Windows, and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you can change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code, so the browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. So don't be worried about it. Um, and another thing is HTML horizontal rules. Let me type it. HTML horizontal rules. Let's comment this. What is HTML horizontal rules? The HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. For example, you should pay attention. You should pay attention. The HR tag is an MP tag, which means that is no end for this tag. It has no end tag, like BR. Let's try this. Let's try HR tag. For example, we have already HPA tags, and let's just add an HR at the end of all of this. Okay, let's see the results. Here you see this line. This is the HR tag that separates our page with another content that we want here. Okay, it's so simple. It's HR tag. BR is invisible. Here, let's have these and have a BR just in the middle of this. Okay, you see, it breaks in two lines and it's invisible, but HR, for example, here, yeah, you see, and let's delete, let's give it 20 pixel. Yeah, you see, this is HR, this is BR, which is invisible, and both are MP tag. And BR is a line breaking tag. It's enough for this session. Guys, please tell me any recommendation you have for other videos, and I hope you have a really nice day. Ask me any questions if you have in comments or email me, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye.